One day I came across this video.
You never have to buy ice cream from the store because I'm going to show you how to make the easiest homemade vanilla ice cream.
Okay, so mine is not vanilla ice cream, but it is a version that I created for myself. It is a coconut version. I am staying away from dairy, so I have coconut milk. I also have coconut condensed milk. I kept the vanilla as well as a pinch of salt I added somewhere. So the ice cream was super simple, like she said, legit 4 ingredients, and it was it actually tastes good. So if you are an ice cream lover like myself, tired of eating all those extra ingredients at the store, this recipe might be for you. This is good.